Greetings to all our Porsche friends. We constantly strive to build each Porsche car with the same craftsmanship, perfection, integrity that has brought worldwide recognition for this engineering achievement.
Here the body is fitted and completed. Upholstery is installed, metal and rubber strips inserted, lights, wiring harness, glass and hardware attached. Here the doors with frame and glass are being carefully fitted.
And look, the door line's all nice. Yeah, sweetness. Oh my gosh, you kidding me? Oh, mama. Mamma mia, no, not the beach. Yeah.
Wow, what a beautiful car this is, though. Like, it's how well built it is.
Ka-chunk, you know, that's, I guess I'm just going to have to say, wow, you know, like, it's just, yeah.
Quality control is a major factor in the Porsche operation. The highest quality requires that testing be made by piece rather than by sampling. Special gauges ensure accurate inspection of tolerance.
Here's a new seal. Here's the seal that came off.
The main engine assembly line consists of 11 to 12 stations, with each worker performing his specialized job as the engines go down the line. It takes about 15 minutes for the engine to go through each station. Note that each nut is tightened with a torque wrench and tolerances carefully checked. These hands are sure and certain as each gear, spacer, and critical part takes its place in the finished assembly. Installation of the transmission and rear end assembly is a three-man job. This team works together and makes the job look pretty easy. After doing this 30 times a day, probably a cushion for that knee would be in order. Installation of the engine is much simpler and takes but a few minutes.
Yeah, keep going. Now you're looking great.
Before going out for the actual road test, these protective pants are put on the car and special plates are attached. The car is driven under load through the gears and performance noted and checked. Porsche cars being road tested are a familiar sight every day on the Autobahn between Zuffenhausen and Heilbronn. Adjustments are made immediately to carburetors and engines from the notations made during the test run. And after final okay,
Jam it on there, man.
the Reuter seal is attached and the car is turned over to Porsche.
Name once, put on once. Measure once, jam it on there once.
Finally, they're all on and secured, and the truck takes off for Hamburg. As each working day draws to an end, the busy factory yard is cleared of cars.
You hear that, dude? He's stoked. It's okay. Oh, well, it's okay. Isn't it?
I can't believe it's the same car.
Yeah. I know he can't believe, like, dude, like, it went from barely running, stinking, not idling, shutting off, hard to start, completely sucks, sounds terrible, smells terrible, feels terrible. No, dude, like that, it is brand new car.
That's awesome.
It's a brand new car.
As each working day draws to an end, the busy factory yard is cleared of cars. And at Porsche, as everywhere in Germany, cleanliness is a matter of course. So the yard, the machine shop, and assembly room are swept clean for the next day's work. At 5 o'clock, the cars seem to be sleeping peacefully, awaiting the touch of the worker's hand to bring them back to the life given them by Professor Ferdinand Porsche.